Okay, you've got a bright, shiny, sparkly new idea. Now what? A couple of things you have to ask yourself. First of all, is that idea sticking to you like glue? If not, you need to find a different angle on your idea or choose even a new idea. That glue needs to, you've got to really be able to hang on to that idea. Number two, let your idea mellow and ripen. Don't rush. So many writers want to dive in right away with their idea, and they want to just dive right into it. Ripening is an important part of the process. Just wait, maybe do some research, maybe do a lot more thinking, and let that just cogitate. Let it mellow. It'll come to you. And when your idea is ready, remember, act on it. That's super important. If you let your idea sit too long, it may lose some of its shine and spark. And that's important. We need to keep the energy for that idea up. The old adage is ideas come and go. They go in one ear and out the other. You've all heard it. But I know I may have something when my mind keeps coming back to it and worrying it like a dog with a bone. Okay, Laura. Everyone who's ever taken a shower has an idea. It's the person who gets out of the shower, dries off, and does something about it who makes a difference, says Nolan Bushnell. That's super important. What are we going to do about it? Now we're going to talk about what we're going to do about our ideas. First of all, step one, acting on it. We're going to analyze your idea. You're going to ask yourself, all along, you are going to be asking yourself questions. One, does your idea have story potential? What do I mean by story potential? Is it making an emotional connection with your reader? Is there a story arc? Is there a beginning, a middle, an end? Kids want stories. They don't want a message. Don't tell them, don't be didactic with your idea, with your book. There may be places for that. Don't be preachy. They want a story. Kids love stories. Whether fiction or nonfiction, you have to ask yourself, will it appeal to children in your audience? Is it going to appeal to that 3-year-old or that 9th grader? If you're writing a fiction picture book or nonfiction for most readers, does your idea have illustration potential? Those things should be whirling away in your head as you're developing and analyzing your idea. Could this be illustrated? Would it be best done with photographs? Can you get those photographs? You don't have to answer them directly, but you should begin to think about those things. And also think about the market. Have you checked the market? Amazon, local booksellers, what's out there already? Start to become a writer. Start to get a feel for the market. What is already out there? There are 55,000 books about putting kids to bed at night and reading a story. I don't know. You've got to look and see what else is out there. Very important.